Hi, in this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Windows 10 Your Phone application. And what that does is it allows you to connect your Windows computer to your smartphone and actually use your smartphone on your computer as if you were actually using the phone itself. So the way it works, it kind of varies depending on what type of phone you have. You know, there's iPhones and there's 10,000 different kinds of Androids, and certain features work better than others depending on what you have. Like for an example, if you have a Samsung phone, it seems to work the best and gives you an extra feature that the others don't, which I'll show you in a second. And then also configuring it is going to vary quite a bit depending on your smartphone too, especially between iPhones and Androids. So I'll put a link to a write-up we did for how to configure an Android phone, and hopefully you could follow along and get yours set up without too much trouble. So anyway, so what you would do is you would go to the settings, and then you would go to the phone section, and then you'd have a thing here to add phone. So if I click on it, it's just going to open mine up because I already have it there, so I can't show you too much more than this. You'll have to look at the write-up we did. So anyway, so when you go to your phone after you get it set up, there's 4 sections. But like I said, if you have a Samsung, you'll have another part that's, I guess, called My Screen or Screen, something like that, where you could actually see your phone screen with your app icons and maneuver and scroll on your screen and that kind of thing. But I'm using a Pixel, and you can't do that on that, at least not at the moment. So you got the 4 sections here. You got the notifications, which will show you the notifications like you'd have at the top of your phone, you know, that you could pull down and you could clear them or delete them or reply to them, that kind of thing. So that's kind of cool how you could do that right from here. And then next you have messages, and here you'll see all your text messages, and you could actually reply to them and read them, and you could do new messages to new people by clicking on that and that kind of thing. And then the photos, this will show you the photos that are on your phone, up to 2,000 photos. So if you're one of those photo crazy people and you have a million, then you're only going to see probably the first 2,000. And one thing I noticed too, like for me, I'll have photos broken down into camera and screenshots and message photos, and this seems to just kind of put them all in the same place. So it's not too big of a deal, I guess. And then finally, you have the calls section, where it'll show you your incoming and outgoing calls, recent, and then you can search your contacts, and you could actually dial a phone number here if you have your Bluetooth configured, and make phone calls to your computer, assuming you have a microphone or some kind of headset where you could actually talk through it. And then real quick in the settings, here's like a place you could add another device. So when you would do this, this is kind of the thing that I couldn't do before. You'd pick your Android and iPhone and just follow the prompts and go through there. And you know, some of the features and stuff you could turn off for notifications and that kind of thing, and stuff for phone calls. You know, wallpaper, if you wanted to pin it to the taskbar for easy access, and then you know, your help and that kind of thing. So like I said, you know, this is just a quickie overview just so you can see what you can do with it. One thing I've kind of noticed is, at least for me, it doesn't refresh as quickly as I would like. Sometimes I'll click on refresh over and over and nothing will happen. Other times I'll be sitting here and I'll get a pop-up notification down here saying that, you know, I have a new message or whatever. So you might have better luck. So just make sure your Bluetooth is on, your wireless is on. And you could actually also use cellular data. So if you don't have a wireless connection, you could go through your cellular data, or if you're, you know, outside of the office on your laptop, you could still use it without Wi-Fi. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so once again, check out the link in the description for instructions, and good luck. All right, thanks for watching.